How to use what-if analysis in Excel. Have you ever wondered how to predict outcomes based on different scenarios in your Excel spreadsheets? What-if analysis is the answer. This powerful tool allows you to see how changing certain values affects your results. It is particularly helpful for tasks like forecasting, budgeting, and making informed decisions without the hassle of manually adjusting data repeatedly. There are three main tools within what-if analysis that you can use: scenarios, goal seek, and data tables. Let's break these down one by one. First, let's talk about scenarios. This feature lets you create and save different sets of input values, up to 32 variables. You can switch between these scenarios to see how each one impacts your results. For example, you might create a scenario for best case, worst case, and most likely sales forecasts. You can manage these scenarios through the Scenario Manager found in the Data tab. Here, you can add new scenarios, edit existing ones, and even generate a summary report to compare results. Next up is Goal Seek. This tool works a bit differently. Instead of changing inputs to see the outcome, you start with a desired result. You specify what result you want, and Excel calculates the input value needed to achieve it. For instance, if you want to know what sales volume is required to reach a specific profit target, Goal Seek will adjust the sales number until the profit formula matches your goal. Now, let's discuss data tables. This tool allows you to analyze how changing one or two variables affects a formula's result across many values at once. A one-variable data table changes a single input and shows the corresponding results. On the other hand, a two-variable data table varies two inputs simultaneously. This is particularly useful for quickly assessing how different interest rates and loan terms affect monthly payments. To practically use scenarios, go to the Data tab, click on What-if Analysis, and select Scenario Manager. Here, you can add scenarios by specifying different input values. Switching between them will automatically update your results. For Goal Seek, start by selecting the cell with the formula result. Then, navigate to What-if Analysis and choose Goal Seek. Enter your target value and the input cell that Excel should change. Excel will then find the input value that produces your desired result. To create a data table, set up your formula referencing the input cells. Select the range where you want the table to appear, then go to What-if Analysis and select Data Table. Specify the input cell for the row and/or column, and Excel will fill the table with results for each input combination. Using what-if analysis tools allows you to experiment with different assumptions and instantly see their effects on your calculations. This method supports informed decision-making in various fields, including business and finance. By mastering these tools, you can significantly improve your data analysis skills in Excel.